Hi, my name is Romano Consolo and I'm the Director of Marketing and Business Development for XAVTEL Communications. Today I want to present to you the Senator Conference Presentation and Unified Communication System. I will start with the main conference unit, the DCP-1000. As you can see here in the front, we have a lot of LEDs to control, and we also have a USB port where you can enter a flash memory and do the recording of your whole conference, presentation or web conference. On the rear side of the unit, I really quickly explain you what we have. We have our networking card, which contains 64 audio channels, and this bus also contains power and control data and audio, which will be connected to our mid-junction box, which is called the DDB-104, where you see we have the same connectivity here as we have here, so these go together. Furthermore, we have RS485 connections. We have a so-called NDA link output, which goes to our system amplifier, which is a digital 6-channel amplifier called DCA660, containing 6 times 60 watts on 4 ohm load. This is a standard Cat5 connection to this amplifier. You can daisy chain up to 64 amplifiers within the system. Further, here we have the card slot, which is empty right now. This is our so-called DCP network card. With this card inside here, you can connect up to 32 pieces or devices of the DCP-1000. Further on, we have an Ethernet port, which will also be suited as our SIP and VoIP card, because we also can have an ADC card installed in the DCP-1000, and I will explain later what we use it. We have a microphone line input on an XLR, the same on a line output. These in and outputs of audio will also go through our acoustic echo cancellation algorithm path, so it's an absolute easy integration for video conferencing systems. And as you see here, we have a stereo unbalanced line input and line output. Of course, this is the power plug. Further, we have RS232 connection, so we have the chance for third-party control. Here you see 4 connections which will connect our so-called CDM or CFM devices, which is our main conference units. This is the CDM-1000, containing of 2 buttons. This is a talk button, this is a function button for further applications. You see one of our CFM gooseneck microphones. They are detachable, and the microphones are available in 4 lengths. So each of these stations connects via this mini XLR to the DDB-104, and you can connect up to 4 pieces in a row. With one DCP-1000 you will be able to connect 63 of the DDB-104. That means in total you can connect up to 252 pieces of any CDM or CFM device. Here the CDM-1000 also contains a mini jack for a pad, which is our voting pad, I'll introduce later to you, and you have a headset connection, because the CDM-1000 can also be put into the so-called interpreter mode. If it's in interpreter mode, you will use the headset and microphone connection from here, and with the volume control you will be able to control your volume. So, as you see here, we have a Senator system set up for you. It's our smallest Senator UC set, which contains 3 CDM-1000 devices and a device which I just want to explain real quick. It's the CDM-T5. It's a 5-inch touchscreen display unit, which will give you full control over the whole Senator system in whatever application you use it. So you use it as a regular chairperson device, and you use it for control. Because we also offer AEC in our unit, you see here, if I push the button, I can go and have a speed dial list on the unit, which we will show you on a closer setup later on. On the side, we have the same in and output for your headset, but we also provide you with a mini USB connection. It's an audio connection which allows you to connect your computer directly using a USB cable, getting the audio out of your computer inside to our system, going through the ABC algorithm and feeding the audio back to your computer. This will allow you easily, just plug and play, to have a web conference using any kind of application for web conferencing like Skype, Skype for Business, WebEx, whatever you can imagine.